Question 10. Now this question is testing our quality of written communication that is shown by the asterisk, which is by the side. Now this really comes in this part of the question, 10 part B. Part A, number 1, simplify the expression m times 5. So m times 5, we write in algebra as 5m, which means 5 times m. A part 2, simplify fully 2a plus 5b plus 3a minus 2b. Now, I need to collect together my a terms and my b terms. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite that as 2a plus 3a and then plus 5b minus 2b. You'll notice that I've taken the sign with the term, that plus 5b is plus 5b, plus 3a plus 3a, negative 2b minus 2b still remains there as minus 2b. The reason why I've written the terms together, the like terms together, it's now easy to visually see them together. 2a plus 3a is 5a, and then plus 5b, take away 2b, plus 3b. I cannot add an a to a b, so my answer is 5a plus 3b. 10 part B. N represents an even number. Explain why n plus 1 multiplied by n minus 1 is always odd. So the two brackets together means n plus 1 times by n minus 1. And we're trying to explain that that is always odd. So if n is an even number, if n is even, then n plus 1 is odd. Example, if n is 2, then n plus 1 is 3, which is odd. If n is 6, n plus 1 is 7, which is an odd number. Similarly, n subtract 1 is always odd if n is even, because when n is 2, 1 less is 1, which is an odd number. When n is 6, 1 less is 5, which is an odd number. So we've shown that n plus 1 is odd and n minus 1 is odd. So we've now got an odd number times by an odd number. So let's do a few examples there. If we had 3 times 7, that would be equal to 21, which is odd. If we had 5 times 3, that would be 15. If we had 9 times 7, that would be 63. Always an odd number. So we've shown that an odd number times an odd number is always an odd number. So therefore we've explained that n plus 1 multiplied by n minus 1 is always odd when n is even.